Let's learn how to add your own design to a 3D characters t-shirt in iClone 8 using Adobe Photoshop.
Hi, this is a training of IClone 8 on how to put your t-shirt design on a 3D character in iClone 8. First thing we need to do is go ahead and get a character. Let's go ahead and get an actor. And double click and bring the same one out. Alrighty then. Bring the same one out. Bring her up out of the gutter, and bring her over here. Okay. Now you see I've already done it, but this is how you do it. We go, this is how you do it. Okay, what we do first is just go over here to where it says cloth. Doesn't say clothes, it says cloth. But anyway, where it says cloth, go ahead and double click that, open up your clothes. We're going to go ahead, and we've already selected her. So what we want to do is we want to add the t-shirt. I'm going to go ahead and turn her around. We're going to go ahead and take that one off and add this t-shirt. Just drag and drop. All right. Let's go ahead and turn her around, make sure everything's covered up. Okay. Alrighty then. Now what we do is go ahead and double click the t-shirt. Double clicking the t-shirt selects just the t-shirt. And we go over here to where it says modify, and we go into the materials. Click materials, and this is the base color. So this is how we make the change. First we right click on it, hit texture files, and then save texture. So this is going to save texture here. I'm going to call it T4 because I've already done it a couple of times. T4. Okay, well, we'll go ahead and save it. The next thing we do is go ahead and open up Photoshop. Now, I've already loaded an image in here of the t-shirt that is for sale. So if you check my website or check my store, you can actually purchase this t-shirt. I'm going to go ahead and do this. We're going to close that out. No, I do not want to save it. I'm going to go ahead and open the new one. So we say open. Here, this is T4. So double click that and open it up. Now I want to go over here to the next door and drag the image into the t-shirt section. Now what I do is go ahead and hit Control T so that I can reduce the size of the image. Drag that right over here. It's pretty big. I just want to make sure you guys can see it. Okay, now that we have that in there, go ahead and hit this button and select it. That's right where I want it. I go ahead and export it as a PNG. So I go to File, Export, Save for Web Legacy. Saving it as a PNG file. I'll go ahead and do that. It's already T4. I'm going to say -2. Okay, so I'm saving it to my files, or to that file. Okay, now we have that. Takes a couple of seconds. Now we go back over to iClone. Go ahead and double click the base color this time. We're going to pull in T4-2, which is this guy right here. Open it up. Bam. It's on the shirt. All right, so now you have two people, the same person, with that t-shirt on. Okay, so now you can actually put this in your sales. You can add it to your images. You can add it to your images, your whatever you're planning to do with this t-shirt to sell it. Now you have two people on your screen that you can do that with. Now you can, as you see, this one actually has some animation to it. This one does not, but we could put animation, connect animation to it. Now you can have different characters with the same t-shirt, or if you have a t-shirt that's all the way around, you can do it on the front and the back. All right, so now that we've done all of this, go ahead and save it, export it. You can add, I just added this background to them. I can actually put them in anything. Right now they're in a city. Okay, great. All right, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave your comments and your questions down in down in the comments. Be happy to discuss it with you and share it with you and help you out if you're having some issues. Thank you very much, and you all have a great day. And don't forget, these t-shirts are on sale now. Look for the link in the description. Thank you. Bye-bye.